Good evening, folks. G Cuddy Performance back. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. I'm getting ready to change out the exhaust manifold gaskets. As you can see from right there and right there, how it's been leaking, and clear over in here, it's been leaking. And then clear back in here, it's been leaking. Right there. The reason it's leaking, and that I've learned from my experience, or learned from my mistakes, I should say, no experience, is do not use these collapsible gaskets that you can get at AutoZone and O'Reilly's. They are junk. Yeah, I thought they were a good idea, but yeah, I won't ever use them again. Instead, I went to a car, basically a performance, Wild Wade Performance here in Iowa. And I ran into this guy, and he sells, it's called, let's see, yep, there it is, Soupy's S Gaskets. And there's his phone number. And then there's the part number. But you get a set of these gaskets. This guy literally sets them on fire. He shows you everything. And they have a little bit of squish to them, so that way you can get a good seal. He guarantees the gaskets to never have a problem. And the guy literally, while I was there, took a torch and lit them on fire, and then took regular other brand gaskets, Velcro, all the other brands, lit them on fire, and they basically started to melt. His did not melt. It literally, it just got glowing red hot, never melted, never broke down, and was basically looked like it was from the get-go. So I figured I'd post this video for you to show you guys about changing the exhaust manifold gaskets. And I'm literally going to change them out. And I'm not going to make you guys watch me go through and unbolt them and change them out. But I will give you an update once I get them all changed out. It's real simple. Most gaskets are made. As you can see, it's got that little loop right there and that little loop on the other end. This one's had it too. So all I have to do is take out the middle bolts, all the middle bolts, leave the two end ones in, slide the old gasket out, throw it away because it's garbage, and then slide the new one in, retorque everything down, do the same thing on the other side, get this exhaust hook back up. But the problem is I raised the motor up to clear my oil pan, and I bought the thing to raise the gasket, and when I did,